What if the history you know is incomplete? What if being German isn't just about borders, language, or culture, but about something far older, something hidden inside you? DNA. Not written in books, not taught in schools, but written in your very cells. For centuries, historians told us a simple story. Civilizations rose, empires fell, wars were fought. But recent DNA discoveries tell a different, shocking story, one that rewrites who we think we are. Long before the name Germany existed, this land was wild and untamed. Forests stretched endlessly, rivers carved paths through valleys, and humans, small groups of hunter-gatherers, roamed this land, surviving the harsh ice age. They hunted, they gathered, they survived, and they left behind something far more important than bones or tools. They left DNA. But here's the twist. These first Europeans are not the main ancestors of modern Germans. You're about to discover why the people living here today are not the descendants of the Ice Age survivors. Around 8,000 years ago, a new population arrived in Europe, farmers from the Near East. They didn't just bring crops, they brought a revolution. Villages replaced movement, crops replaced hunting, populations exploded, and slowly the hunter-gatherers began to disappear, not through war, not through conquest, but through a quiet genetic replacement. Within a few thousand years, most of the original DNA was gone. The shocking part? Modern Germans are genetically more connected to these newcomers than to the original inhabitants of their own land. 5,000 years ago, a dramatic new wave arrived from the Eurasian steppe. They brought horses, chariots, and possibly the early Indo-European language. And they didn't just mix with the population, they replaced a large portion of it, especially male lineages, rapidly, quietly, completely changing the genetic landscape. The DNA tells us much of what we think of as ancient German ancestry is actually the legacy of people from the Far East. Over the next 2,000 years, Germany saw the arrival of Celts, Romans, and other migrating populations. Cities and roads appeared. Soldiers marched, trade routes connected lands, and once again, DNA tells a story different from history books. The Romans didn't just conquer land, they influenced the genes of people living here, mixing quietly, leaving traces still visible in modern populations. The people we call German today are a mosaic of multiple invasions, migrations, and assimilations over millennia. In the Middle Ages, more waves arrived: Slavs, Vikings, and regional migrations within Europe. Even the Holy Roman Empire left a genetic mark. Over time, regional populations blended, creating the complex genetic landscape we see in Germany today. Modern science reveals a truth no history book can. Identity is not static. It evolves. It rewrites itself over generations. If populations have been replaced quietly for thousands of years, could there be other surprising DNA legacies hiding in modern Germans today? The most advanced DNA studies reveal a mosaic of ancestry. Ice Age hunter-gatherers, early Near Eastern farmers, steppe migrants, Celtic, Roman, Slavic, and Viking contributions. Modern Germans are a living history book, written in DNA. And here's the most astonishing part. Some lineages exist today, even though the civilizations that carried them have vanished. Your DNA could carry traces of a civilization that no longer exists, hidden inside you. History isn't just written in books, it's written in your body. Borders change, empires rise and fall, but DNA keeps moving, silently, constantly. So the next time you ask, "Who am I?" remember this. You are the product of thousands of years of migrations, replacements, and civilizations that lived and vanished long before you were born. Your DNA carries a story that no textbook can tell, and perhaps it carries a civilization that no longer exists.
To find more hidden truths written in DNA, follow us now.